Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making the most fudgy, delicious almond butter brownies I've ever made. It is so good, you have to try it. It's heavenly. Now you have chocolate lovers and then you have people that are like super chocolate lovers, and I'm a super chocolate lover. And I love fudge. I love fudgy vegan brownies, the ones that you don't even have to pick up and like bite, the ones that you have to eat with a spoon with the ice cream and it just melts in your mouth. So those are the kind of brownies that I'm making today. So let's get into it. So I'm adding the dry ingredients to a bowl. I started off by adding 1 cup of gluten-free flour. I just bought the pre-packaged flour from Target, and now I'm adding a half cup of coconut sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of sea salt, along with a half cup of cocoa powder. Now I'm blending up the wet ingredients: 1/4 cup of dates, 1/4 cup of agave, 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and 1 cup of almond butter. And as you can see, the blender switched because my other one was acting funny. Now I'm adding the wet mixture into the bowl. And the good thing about this recipe, you can make it as sweet or as less sweet as you want. So you can leave out the agave if you don't want it to be too sweet, or you can substitute it for like stevia or something. So here I'm adding a half cup of unsweetened almond milk just to thin it out a bit. So it's 3/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk in total. And now I'm adding a half cup of dairy-free chocolate chips. And I'm placing it on an 8x8-inch pan on top of some parchment paper, and I'm adding some extra chocolate chips on the top. And I'm baking this at 350 for 18 to 20 minutes. When you take it out of the oven, let it cool down for at least 20 minutes. So this is what it looks like when it's nice and ooey gooey and warm. Absolutely delicious with some vanilla ice cream. Now I put it in the fridge for a few hours, so here I'm cutting another slice when it's more firm. So if you want them to be firm, then make sure you refrigerate them. Time to eat the brownie. I cannot lie to you. This tastes like a regular brownie. You would not know that there's no refined sugar in this besides the chocolate chips. If you choose to put them in, I recommend it. No white flour. You don't even taste the almond butter. It just tastes like a heavenly, delicious fudge brownie. Can't even tell that it's vegan. Like, This kind of reminds me of the brownies at, I think it was Applebee's. Either Applebee's or Fridays, but they had these brownies and it came with vanilla ice cream and it was almost like fudge. That's what this is. That's exactly what I was going for. It's like a very ooey gooey brownie when you take it out of the oven, or you can microwave it, and when you firm it up, it's like this big bar of fudgy goodness. This is like the most fudgy brownie I ever made. But yeah, if you want these to be completely free of refined sugar, just skip out on the chocolate chips. It'll still be really good. I get my chocolate chips from Trader Joe's because they're dairy free. Make sure there's no chocolate on my face. But be careful because they also have chocolate chunks, and those do have milk in it. Where have these been all my life? I love brownies like this that you can, I guess, good both ways. If I want vanilla ice cream, I'll just microwave it and it'll be like this just oozing fudgy bowl of goodness. Or I can leave it refrigerated like this and just have a nice fudge brownie bar. And I put it in an 8x8 inch pan So they're thick brownies, but of course 9x9 would work, but I like brownies that are nice and thick like that. And those freeze very, very well. All you gotta do is let it thaw out or thaw it out in the microwave if you want to. I'm telling you, you should make that recipe. It's absolutely delicious, out of this world. Okay, thank you so much for watching. That is it for today's video. If you make this recipe, tag me at unsweetened on Twitter or on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, and give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.